In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off profile views on TikTok. This feature allows you to see which accounts have viewed your TikTok profile. But if you want more privacy and don't want others to know that you have viewed their profiles, you can easily turn this feature off. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, tap Privacy. And then scroll down to the bottom. Now you'll see the Profile Views option at the bottom. Just tap on it. To turn off profile view history on TikTok, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.